We also have an online store, another great feature that, as I mentioned before, has the big benefit of not having any transaction fees. Of course, you have like your credit card processing fee, but nothing from Hostinger, 0% transaction fee, which is really going to, affect your margins pretty significantly here. I'm going to click on Add Store just to show you how this works. So the store right now, we have a bunch of dummy products. As it did with blogs, it's adding dummy products here as well. We can get rid of those a little bit later, but let's go back to this page here, and it kind of walks us through the setup. So adding a product, adding payment method, updating the details, and adding shipping options. Really, 3 of those are the most important. Company details, not a huge deal there. So let's start off by adding a product. The first product we want to add, maybe it's just some coffee beans. Maybe this is going to be like a 1-pound bag of coffee beans. So United States, currency US dollars, I will say continue, and we're going to add our first product. If you already had a store somewhere else, I assume you wouldn't be watching this video if you already made several websites, but you could import products if you have them, I don't know, somewhere else, if you made like a GoDaddy or a Wix or something else website. Anyway, we have a lot of different ways we can set up this product. So you can have digital products, if it's an ebook, if it's an audio file, if it is a PDF, if it's anything like that that is downloadable, you can have a digital product here. You could have a service, maybe a yoga class, if you have barista sessions, whatever, teaching somebody how to do things, anything, maybe sampling, you can do that as a service here.